The Bunyip, Australia's elusive aquatic menace. Australia, a land brimming with natural wonders and ancient lore, holds within its heart a mystery as old as the land itself. This mystery revolves around an elusive creature known in Aboriginal folklore as the Bunyip. Tales of this creature have permeated Australian legends, sparking fear, intrigue, and fascination throughout generations. The Bunyip, a creature of Aboriginal mythology, is as diverse in its descriptions as the cultures that speak of it. Some say it has a dog-like face, others a crocodile-like body, or even a horse's mane, with eyes like burning coals. This chameleon-like description of the Bunyip reflects the deep, primal fear it instills, symbolizing the unknown dangers lurking in the Australian wilderness. Aboriginal art and oral traditions richly detail encounters with the Bunyip, portraying it as a guardian of water sources. These ancient narratives, passed down through countless generations, serve not only as cautionary tales but also as a testament to the deep connection between Australia's Indigenous people and the land. With the arrival of European settlers, the legend of the Bunyip found a new audience, fueling curiosity and fear among those unfamiliar with the land's ancient stories. Early settlers' diaries and newspapers began to chronicle their own encounters with this mysterious creature, often embellishing the tales with their interpretations, further mystifying the legend of the Bunyip. Today, the story of the Bunyip continues to be shared in Australian homes and communities, bridging the gap between ancient lore and modern fascination. It remains a captivating tale that underscores the mystery of the natural world and the enduring power of storytelling in Australian culture. Historical sightings and accounts. In the 19th century, as European settlers spread across the Australian continent, reports of Bunyip sightings began to emerge. These tales often described terrifying encounters with a creature lurking in swamps and rivers, blending the boundaries between reality and myth. Historical documents and press reports from the era captured the public's imagination with vivid accounts of the Bunyip. These descriptions varied wildly, but the fear they invoked was a common thread, highlighting the creature's deep impact on colonial Australian psyche. Sightings were not confined to any single region, painting the Bunyip as a pervasive presence in the waterways of Australia. From the Murray River to the billabongs of the outback, the Bunyip seemed to inhabit the collective fear of the unknown that pervaded the new settlements. Despite the myriad descriptions, certain characteristics frequently surfaced: a fearsome roar, a predilection for water, and a penchant for stealth. These traits fueled speculation and debate among settlers and Indigenous Australians alike about the true nature of the Bunyip. The Bunyip served as a point of cultural intersection, where Aboriginal lore met European curiosity. This melding of worlds fostered a unique dialogue, one that respected the ancient origins of the Bunyip tale while navigating the uncertainties of a burgeoning nation. Cultural significance and beliefs. For Aboriginal Australians, the Bunyip was more than a mere legend. It was a significant part of their cultural and spiritual landscape. Sacred sites and waterways across Australia are still regarded as the domains of the Bunyip, embodying the respect for nature's power and mystery. The Bunyip's presence in Aboriginal stories often serves as a warning to respect the natural world, particularly its water sources. These tales highlight the Bunyip's role as a guardian, punishing those who harm the environment or disrespect sacred laws. The oral tradition of storytelling has kept the Bunyip alive in the minds of Aboriginal Australians for generations. These stories, passed down from elders to the young, are not only a means of cultural preservation but also a way to instill a deep respect for the mysteries of the land. The Bunyip's influence extends into Aboriginal art, dance, and ceremony, reflecting its profound impact on Indigenous culture. Through these expressions, the Bunyip is celebrated, feared, and revered, demonstrating the creature's multifaceted role in Aboriginal life. Indigenous cultural experts provide insight into the Bunyip's enduring legacy, emphasizing its importance not just as a mythical creature but as a symbol of the need to live in harmony with nature. This perspective underscores the Bunyip's role in fostering an understanding of the land's sacredness and the importance of environmental stewardship. Modern sightings and theories. In the age of technology, the quest to uncover the truth behind the Bunyip legend has not waned. Modern sightings, equipped with night vision and thermal imaging, have reignited interest in this elusive creature, suggesting that something unknown may still lurk in Australia's waterways. Those who claim to have encountered the Bunyip in recent years describe an indescribable fear, a primal dread rooted in the Australian landscape's depths. Their testimonies add new chapters to the long history of Bunyip lore, blending ancient fears with modern mysteries. The scientific community remains skeptical, attributing most Bunyip sightings to misidentified wildlife or natural phenomena. Yet, the lack of concrete evidence does little to dissuade the true believers or dampen the intrigue surrounding Australia's most famous cryptid. Theories about the Bunyip's existence range from plausible to fantastical. Some suggest it could be a remnant of prehistoric times, a survivor from an age when megafauna roamed the earth, while others propose it as evidence of species yet unknown to science. Despite the advancements in technology and the breadth of human knowledge, the Australian wilderness retains its secrets. The search for the Bunyip symbolizes our enduring fascination with the unknown and the primal fear of what lies just beyond the edge of understanding. The Bunyip resides at the crossroads of myth and mystery, a creature born from the depths of Aboriginal folklore and nurtured by centuries of sightings and stories. It stands as a testament to Australia's rich cultural heritage and the enduring power of legend. Australia's landscapes are a canvas for the imagination, a place where the line between the real and the mythical blurs. The Bunyip is but one thread in the vibrant tapestry of Australian folklore, embodying the mystery that shrouds the land. As stories of the Bunyip continue to be told, from the firesides of Aboriginal elders to the pages of modern literature, they serve a crucial role in bridging generations, preserving culture, and inspiring respect for the mysteries of the natural world. In the end, the Bunyip reminds us of our place within the vast, mysterious universe. It challenges us to ponder the unseen, to respect the stories of the past, and to keep alive the sense of wonder that defines the human spirit. Whether myth or mystery, the legend of the Bunyip endures, a whisper in the wind, a shadow in the water, a story forever woven into the heart of Australia. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the content and see you in our next video.